Hello everyone, welcome to Swagger Swoon. My name's George. We're going to be talking a little bit about partywear today. And now partywear is a category that gives you a real wide range of different options. It can be really fun as well because you have sort of much less formal rules over what you can wear and things like that. So we'll talk you through a couple of things to think about with that, particularly coming up sort of Christmas and New Year with any events and things that might be going on with that. So obviously Tarquin here is wearing a fantastic blazer. So this has got sort of the gold paisley detailing with the satin lapels. It's a really, really nice blazer, and it's the sort of thing that you can get away with for sort of an event or a party. But when you are wearing something so statement as your jacket, you want to make sure that some of your accessories and the things that you're wearing them with are a little bit more toned down. Now, I'm all for one that sort of more is more, and I just think put as much on as possible. However, when you start to have clashing patterns and clashing colours, that can get a bit much, and it can look a little bit sort of uncoordinated, unthought about. So Tarquin here has got just sort of a plain white shirt. You can opt for a dress shirt, that's absolutely fine, depending on the sort of formality of the event, but any white shirt would be great. He's also got a white linen pocket square, really, really simple, just a plain presidential fold, just to keep everything a little bit more muted, so obviously the jacket can stand out. Stick with a black trouser and a black shoe, preferably something patent or something like a velvet loafer, really works and sort of works with the outfit and makes you look good that way. I'd also stick with the black bow tie. So while sort of not necessarily black tie, it is a really classic choice, particularly for sort of slightly fancier events or things like that where you're having your party. It is also just one that looks really good with a lot of outfits, so I would definitely recommend sticking with that. It sort of brings everything together really nicely. So this is one of our self-tie satin bows. I'll show you how to tie it now. So with this one, you want to start with one end longer than the other one, like so. You cross over the long end where that button is, so you get that X shape, and then that one comes up this way, so it's tied like so. This one folds back on itself before being folded like that to get your bow shape, and then this one comes around the front here. You can then pull these two wings forward like so, and you should have a gap forming just there behind your bow, and the fold of this one can go through there. A little bit fiddly, but pull him through, and then you can tighten your two folded edges to give you your wing shape there, and you can either choose to have it with the twist or you can tie it without the twist there. We'll keep that one in. Give it a tighten, give it an adjust until you're happy. And then you can fold down the collar. And as you can see, sort of keeping something really simple on the top there actually makes the whole outfit work together really nicely. But yeah, that's the sort of thing that we'd go for party wear, occasion wear, particularly if you've got sort of like a New Year's Eve party or something like that coming up.